Welcome back to the channel. Today's segment is a little bit about seasickness, and here to help me describe this is my rather unwilling participant, Allison. Allison, tell us what happened.
So I was making breakfast in the galley this morning. We just had left and started moving along, and I just started feeling nauseous, and I had just had a feeling I was totally getting seasick. So I told David, and he said to come up on top and look at the horizon, and now I feel much better.
Good. So there's a number of factors here as to what happened, right? So what contributed to Allison feeling seasick. And I firmly believe that there's no cure for seasick. If you're going to get seasick, you're going to get it. But if you catch it before the actual nausea comes up, like Allison just did, then you feel okay now, right?
Yeah, I feel completely fine.
So there's a few things that we were able to do to help her out of that situation. The first thing, as she said, bless her, she was down inside the boat making breakfast. So I'll just show you. We had some eggs and some prosciutto ham and some baked beans and a fantastic, nice breakfast, right?
Yeah.
And of course, being a trooper, Allison was trying to soldier on to continue to make breakfast. I said, no, you're done, right? If you start to feel seasick, first thing you got to do is get up on deck in the fresh air where you can see the horizon and stop, get away from the circumstances that are causing you to feel seasick. Okay, so we've eaten breakfast. That definitely helped, right?
Yeah, it definitely helped.
Definitely helped. The fat on the fried eggs and all of that really helps to settle your stomach. And then the other thing you can do as the captain, look at what we're dealing with here with wind direction and sea direction. The wind is coming from my quarter, right off the back corner of the boat, if you will, right? It's a fairly fresh breeze. It's about 13 or 14 knots. And look, it's put up a little bit of a sea state. If I hold the camera still, you can see the boat is rocking. It's quite an awkward, nasty little to side, right? And so, because you can see the direction of the sea is coming from the back corner. So, that's a nice shot of Allison as well, isn't it? So what we can do to help her is turn the boat. I'm on autopilot, so watch. Let's turn the boat. I've got my head sail out, but that's all. I'm basically under engines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 50 degrees away from the wind. Let's see what happens. You can see right here on the monitor the relative wind direction. And so now we're starting to roll more with the sea. And we come another 10 degrees, just finishing the turn. There's another 20 degrees. All right, so you see now I've put the sea directly behind us, and it's a lot more comfortable, isn't it?
Yeah, a lot more calm.
A lot more calm, a lot more comfortable. So there are things you can do when you're the captain, when you're driving the boat, to help your seasick shipmate, or chief stew as we call Allison on our videos. So that's yeah, so that's it on seasickness. Okay, hope that's helpful. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much for tuning in, and as always, please like and subscribe. It really helps us to grow the channel, and share the mission of our channel, which is to leave you, boaters and sailors, confident, safe, so you
Have fun.
have more fun out on your boat. See you next time.